Remember, I'm answering these questions first from my perspective as a student and then later on. The approach I've used for all other classes I've taken should work well here. True, as a student, absolutely believe this. I'd been in school for 13 years and I did things a certain way and was moderately successful. 8 weeks, 6 weeks into organic chemistry, I realized the way I did things didn't work well really at all, and I had to change those up. So I would say this is a false statement. The key, right? You're going to start with a plan. Start with what you've done. There's no reason to super dramatically mix it up, but add these things: problem solving, work on solving problems, do things nightly. Don't wait till the last minute. I'm not sure what your strategies have been for other classes, but to me, those were the things that I did. I crammed, I made flashcards, I tried to just remember concepts in previous classes. When I switched over to organic chemistry, it became more like problem solving, making connections from reaction to reaction, and doing it often. At some point, it clicked, and I started to love it, so it was very easy for me to work lots of problems, but that kind of fueled the success that eventually came. And so what I would say for you is start off working those problems, do stuff a little bit every day, because then it gets easy, and then you enjoy it, and then you do a little more, and then you enjoy it. But be adaptable, be prepared to change up that approach, because what you've done in other classes may work well, but it may not. And by the way, with these questions, I would encourage you to put these questions in front of your classmates, students, upperclassmen who have taken the class before and have done better. Have these conversations with your tutor, with your instructor. My opinion here is not. My answers aren't necessarily the right answers. They're my answers. Try to have these conversations with others to see what approach worked for them, and how what they did in organic was different or the same compared to what they did elsewhere. There's a whole community of people that are invested in your organic success. Use those as answering any of these, as part of answering any of these true-false questions.